Hi, my name's Laura Batante. This is My2Bits, and today I'm just going to do a very short video talking about the treat huggers and giving you just a couple of tips that I have for you. So this is the Getting Batty treat hugger, and this is the Hogs and Kisses one. When you print out your PDF, it will look sort of like this. This is just on paper. I recommend that you print to a white cardstock, and you don't need to print to a really heavy cardstock. That just makes it a little more tricky for bending and whatnot. So once you have your shape cut out, I recommend a slight score, and then the arms will bend nicely for you. But you don't have to. It's a small area, so they will bend. They probably won't get too crooked on you. And paper is so forgiving, so don't worry about that too much. So as you know, when we print from printer to printer, we might not all get the exact same color. So if you want to adapt a color, and I'm going to talk about this one here because this purple is going to be a little bit challenging to do, particularly since the bat has white eyes. So any colored cardstock that you'd used would affect his eyes and his teeth. But for the pig, the little Hogs and Kisses, you can change his color by changing the color of the cardstock you use. So here he is, the exact same file. This is the print on a white cardstock. This is it on a pink, and this is it on a cream. And you can see that you can really change the color tone. And so if that's something that really matters to you, if you're doing an event and it's kind of peachy, I would recommend you go that way and it'll turn out great. In terms of putting the treats in, of course you could do a bagged treat like this or like this if you want to, but you can also go just easy peasy, a little double-sided tape and then some double-sided tape on the arms, and there you go. And that, I believe, oh, you know what I didn't mention? On the little hog here, I like to bend his ears just to give him that little curling pig ear. You don't have to do it, but I think it looks cute. And so that's all I have for you in terms of tips and tricks. They're really easy to work with, and if you do have any questions, you can always contact me through Etsy store. And thanks again for purchasing if you have, and for checking out my store if you're going to, and just in general for joining me today. Thanks very much.